Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Grand Dama, the DeLonghi Grand Dama Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just did a tune-up replacing the brew unit that you see right here. Apologies for that. Replacing the brew unit that you see right here. And also replacing the water pump of this machine. And as you can see, the day of this water pump is from 2007, so this water pump definitely it's been working for quite a while, and it was time to replace it. So yeah, that's all we did. We descaled the machine, deep cleaned it. We also ordered this little water spout that you see right here. This is brand new. Replace the brew unit, replace the water pump, deep clean everything inside, lubricate the transmission, deep clean the shower head of the generator, the one that is located right here. It was full of coffee beans and it was a little bit clogged, so we cleaned everything in there, brushed it all there, make sure everything's nice and clean. We also cleaned the door, the spouts, and that stuff. So yeah, just give it a good clean and a good service. So starting with one short coffee, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water this machine. We also wipe down the grinder, the one you see right here. This cover, as you can see, is broken, but it still closes pretty good, and this thing is perfect. There you go, machine is extracting coffee. Now the coffee that we have there is pretty old, and we are also grinding it on the most coarsest setting, which is number 7. DeLonghi recommends to do it on the third one, so you wanna have much crema and much deeper flavor. You will have to increase the grind to the third setting approximately, depending what kind of coffee you have. DeLonghi recommends to use medium roast coffee on this machine in order to get the best results. And just to show you, we're gonna do that as well. Let me just adjust the grinder, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have adjusted the grinder to the third dial setting over here on the grinder. We put a little bit more coffee as well, and we did a couple of espressos. As whenever you change the grinder, you need to do at least 3 shots of espresso or 3 coffees in order for the machine to calibrate itself. As you can see from previous shot, this one has a much deeper color and is going to have just a bit more of crema as well. There it is. And of course we can always increase it to the finest setting and increase the grinding quantity of the coffee to have a much stronger and crema rich espresso. Now for the hot water, as you can see, working fine. We do not have the carafe of the machine, so we will not be able to do any cappuccino, latte, or anything like that. But as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the hot water one. Really great temperature as well, working really great. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Grand Dama working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.